Hi guys, welcome to this. This is a very basic tutorial how to use a DSLR camera. We're using the EOS 250D. So let's get started. Here's your DSLR, folks, and all you do is you literally switch it on. So there's your switch button. You've got manual mode, AV, TV. What you want to do is put in this little icon called A+, which is basically your basic of auto modes. So once you've got it on that, this camera's touchscreen. You've got a few settings. So you've got, if you click on this Q button, you've got your creative assistance. So if you want different types of textures on your photograph, you can apply that. If you want to change the background, make it blurry, for example, brightness, contrast, and you've just literally flick through this tone, monochromes, which is black and white. So you've got all these different features which you can change. If I click on built-in flash, if there's a flash built in, it will snap away. If I click on that icon there, it's a timer. So it allows me to do a timer on the camera as well. So those are your very basic features in auto mode on a DSLR camera. If I click on menu, I can take the picture. So if I click on menu, you've got other features as well. So if I sort of flick through this by clicking on this info button, you've got image size, which is basically how big your image is. So if you're new to photography, you might want to consider about not worrying too much about megapixels, but thinking about maybe, for example, having a camera with a half decent sensor, maybe a CMOS, and you want to really invest in some decent lenses. So this one's really a standard kit lens, 18 to 55mm lens. When you buy one of these sort of cameras, the shop might sell you one of these with it. They're okay, they get you started off, but really at some point you might want to invest in some better lens, maybe an L lens, sort of an 18 to 200 or an 18 to 18 to maybe 300 if you're going to do sort of kind of wildlife photography and you want some distance on your shots. So that's something for the future. But in terms of this, you've got your auto mode, you've got your hot shoe, you've got your SD card slot over here. So your SD card slot goes, you push that in like so, boom, that opens up, and there's your SD card. Just push it in, and your SD card will come out. You take that out, you put that into your laptop or your phone or wherever you're going. If it says a micro SD, and you can sort of download your pictures and go from there. So this is in auto mode, so very basic. You don't need to do much. The camera does all the work for you. You could change the file size there by holding this button down and going through the menu like this. Okay, so you can erase images. You don't even need to do that. So once you've taken an image, there's your little play button. And if you want to delete it, just click on that little button and you can delete your pictures like so. Okay, so very easy to do. If you want to change your lens, you click on this button, you push it, you click on that button and you push it forward. When the dot goes to around about where the Canon sign is, you take it out. When you want to put it back in, you marry it back together, you push it back in, and your lens will go back in. So that's how you would do that, folks, to put your lens back in. So yeah, guys, a very basic tutorial in how to use a DSLR camera, and I've demonstrated this on the Canon EOS 250D. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you for the next one.